Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another 60-second pack crack here on Fahrenheit TCG. And today we have another Double Masters Booster Pack opening here for you. And let's go ahead and see what we get. Starting off, we have an Ancient Stirrings, a Bone Picker, a Lightning Axe, a Glaze Fiend, Cloud Reader Sphinx, Chromatic Star, Magnifying Glass, Angel of the Dawn, a Fatal Push, Fencing Ace, a Brimstone Volley. Our first rare is a Ravenous Trap, and our second rare is a Reese the Redeemed. Our first foil is an Alabaster Mage and a Tumble Magnet. Belfour